It's a process where we can take cutting tools that have been processed and produced on a grinding machine, and in the stream finishing we can do 3 primary processes to improve the tool's performance for cutting. Hi, my name is Duncan Thompson. I am the product manager for the EPX and also special projects here at ANCA Machine Tools. So ANCA is very well known for its precision CNC tool grinding machines, and more recently we are developing other products to support the manufacture of tools for cylindrical blank preparation and also stream finishing products. We would very much welcome you to come to our stand here at EMO, Hall 11, stand F35.